Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around recently, Creator Alliance. Is it a legit platform or is it just another scam? Let's break it down. But a quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research, so always do your own research before investing in anything. I couldn't find an official website for Creators Alliance, but what I did find is enough to raise serious red flags. According to multiple Reddit posts, Creator Alliance is being called a Ponzi scheme. Here's why. Creator Alliance promises massive returns on video content creation investments, but in reality, they're just using money from new investors to pay older ones. It's a classic Ponzi scheme, almost identical to the MetaMax scam that left many people out of pocket. They advertise flashy banners and fake partnerships with big names like Yahoo Finance, but after contacting these sites, they quickly remove the paid promotions. That's a huge red flag. And the red flags are unrealistic returns, focus on recruiting new investors, fake partnerships and announcements, and zero transparency. They even use fake addresses and known scam domains like catpid.com and chemists.com. So, is Creators Alliance legit? Absolutely not. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. This platform seems to be designed to pull people in with promises of easy returns, but in the end, it's likely to disappear with everyone's money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.